Now in the present perfect tense, in the past perfect tense, I have told you perfect यानी कि थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब perfect tenses में लगती है. यहाँ पे भी थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगेगी provided the fact that we'll just be changing the helping verb here again. ठीक है. So first of all we'll understand when is future perfect tense used. Future perfect tense is used to express actions that will be completed before a specific point or action in the future. तब तक हो चुके होंगे ये कंप्लीट. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट बताता है प्रेजेंट में कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. पास्ट परफेक्ट बताता है हो चुके थे. ये बताएगा कि तब तक हो चुके होंगे ये टास्क जो है. आई एम सॉरी. ये टास्क जो है तब तक कंप्लीट हो चुके होंगे. ठीक है. सो व्हेन आर वी गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग, हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू बी क्यूरेटिंग सेंटेंसेस हियर, लेट्स टेक अ लुक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पॉजिटिव यानी अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में सब्जेक्ट के साथ विल हैव plus past participle. What do we mean by past participle? Third form of verb. Past form of verb is second form, base form of verb is first form, and past participle is the third form of verb. Plus rest of the sentence. जैसे he will have done it by this evening. मतलब future जो evening आने वाली है तब तक ये कार्य जो है this work etc. it will be done, it will be completed. ठीक है. He will not, negative sentence में will not लग जाएगा, will not have, then again verbs third form and the rest of the sentence that is the object and full stop. And in the interrogative portion will bring that will bahar, will subject have, third form of verb plus आपका question mark. Let's move forward now with the further insights. The future perfect tense is often used to emphasize the completion of an action in the future. That I have told you, perfect यानी कि ये चीज complete हो चुकी होगी in the future with some time. और will have करके contracted form इसकी use करते हैं. For certain examples, let's take a look. She will have completed her research paper by next Friday. They will have moved to their new apartment before the end of the month. अगले महीने की एंड तक वो मूव कर चुके होंगे नेक्स्ट अपार्टमेंट में. दे विल हैव मूव्ड टू देयर न्यू अपार्टमेंट बिफोर द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ. आई विल हैव रेड, सॉरी यहाँ पे ये आना था, आई विल हैव रेड द इंटायर बुक बाय द टाइम द मूवी इज रिलीज्ड. ठीक है. चलो, now you will do the exercise again for the future perfect tense and then we all will be moving forward with the last tense, that is future perfect continuous. I will have, third form of verb, finish. I will have finished my work by then. By the time, by the month end, I will have worked here for 6 years. You will have, write, wrote, written. You will have written to me. By tomorrow morning, he will have left for Tokyo. The guests will have, third form of arrive is arrived, will have arrived at the party by now. Ram will not have read history chapters by now. I will have sung all my songs before your arrival. Jessie will have traveled rural villages before she enters the city. Will Bob have gone to the library before he enters examination hall? They will have enjoyed the music show before the cricket game. ठीक है. The last type that we have now is the future perfect continuous tense. In the past classes हम लोगों ने देखा था perfect continuous tenses में been plus verb की first form ing लगती है. ये future perfect continuous है. First of all we'll take a look at why is future perfect continuous used. To express actions that will be ongoing and continuous up to a specific point in the future. Future में चल रहे होंगे एक specific time period तक, उसके लिए use होता है. और इसमें हम, क्योंकि ये परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस है तो हम बिन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी तो लगाएंगे, लेकिन उसके सामने क्या लगेगा, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस का, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट का विल हैव. सो विल हैव बिन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आईएनजी के साथ ये क्यूरेट होगा. Let's take a look at how are we going to be creating sentences which are affirmative, negative and interrogative. So subject will have been, verb की first form ing and object, जैसे कि I will have been eating vegetables for 3 months. ठीक है. Now again, if you recall, मैंने आप लोग को बोला था जो perfect continuous tenses होते हैं उनमें आपको ये चीज याद रखनी पड़ेगी that you all are going to be seeing two words. What are those two words? Those two words are since and for. Since तब लगता है when we have a starting point of something. And for is used when we don't have a starting point but we have a duration for 3 months, for 4 months, for several weeks, etc. ठीक है. Negative कब बनाएंगे? Subject will not have been, verb की first form ing and object. I will not have been eating vegetables for 3 months. ठीक है, for 3 months. The next one is will plus subject, that is interrogative. Will plus subject have been, verb ki first form ing and question mark. Will I have been eating vegetables for 3 months with a question mark? Other insights about future perfect continuous, it emphasizes the continuous nature of an action leading to a specific future time. ठीक है. And will have been को will have been के साथ हम contracted form की तरह भी use कर सकते हैं. This is something that you should be knowing. चलो जी, let's move to take a look at certain examples. कहाँ गया ये रहा. She work on the coding project. She will have been working on the coding project. So will have been verb की first form ing. They will have been testing the virtual reality. I will have been studying AI, that is artificial intelligence technology for a year when I graduate from the tech academy. So you're talking about कि उस point of time future तक मैं ये चीज कर रहा हूँगा. This is something that will be continuing in the future up to a certain point of time in that time period. ठीक है, up to a certain point of time. चले, let's take a look at the exercise that I have brought forth for you all here. Again, 4-5 minutes to you all. Take your time, do this exercise, and then I'll just give you a revision chart. By midnight, you will have been dancing for 4 hours. By dinner, she will have been cooking the whole afternoon. He will have been working there for 10 years by 2015. By next year, I will have been studying English for 7 years. By next week, we will have been renovating for over a month. In 2012, they will have been living here for 4 years. Before December, Barbara will have been teaching for a year. By this time tomorrow, I will have been doing this. मैं यही कर रहा हूँगा कल भी इस टाइम तक. ठीक है. Jessica will have been helping them for 12 months. Will have been helping them for 12 months. Bob and Sarah will have been cooking for 2 hours. Will have been cooking for 2 hours at 8 o'clock. 2 घंटे से 8 बजे से कुक कर रहे होंगे.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें.